Hey guys, how are you? I hope you're doing good. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And before starting the video, I would like to thank you all for making my blog a huge success. I'm so much delighted, friends. Thanks for your support. Thanks for your kind support. With this video, I'll tell you guys about the way of using the Google search on iPhone. Uh, Actually, Apple is providing the Siri interface, which most of you will not be enjoying. The reason might be that you have recently shifted from your Android device to your iPhone. But specifically, I was getting requests that please suggest us the how to use this Google voice search, Google search on iPhone. So for specific queries, I'm making this video. But personally, if I'm going to ask which one will I prefer, Google or Siri, I will definitely go with Siri. Anyways, I'll start with the guidance. uh, to get the Google voice search on the iOS, you should go to your app store. When you're into your app store, it's loading, yeah. Just search for Google, uh, this app, the Google, which is the official search app. You have to install this app on your iPhone. For me it's installed, so I'll open this. When I open this application, I'll get the interface to make the Google searches. Google allows me to make the voice search, to type the search queries, and then it will filter out the results for me. And the best part about this application is it also allows you to log in to the application with your Gmail ID. For doing this, you can go to your settings. I'll show you again how to go to the settings. This upper tab on the left side will give you the access to your settings part. Here you can go to my account. Currently I'm being signed in with this particular mail ID, but you can also do your sign in activity by making this sign in security. You can provide the details here and then you can log into your Google account. When you are logged into your Google account on this iPhone application, you will get the access to your device history, your recent searches, your personalized locations, and everything. Now I'll tell you how to make the query on your Google search. You can tap the search bar, then you can search for some text, like I'll search for text reader. This is the best website ever created. You can click this and you will get the website open on your Google search. Also, I can use this mic button. How are you? I can use this mic button and make the voice searches. When I said how are you, it showed me the results for this particular query on Google. I can make generic requests, which will be something like interaction. I can ask Google the time. What is the time right now? Perfect. And same way, you can enable this voice search through your settings. You can go to the voice search in the settings part. You can enable this OK Google. Currently it is enabled for me, but could be possible that when you're speaking OK Google on your app interface, it's not happening for you. So you can go to your settings and you can enable the OK Google hotspot from there. So I'll show you how this OK Google works. OK Google. OK Google. I don't know why it's not working. Useless. OK Google. It's not working. It's some issue with the application. Anyways, that's why I don't like Google Assistant. And it gives you the access to the recent searches and what's trending at your current location. If you want to disable this, what's trending, you can go to your settings. You can disable this trending searches, and then the option will be gone for you. Similarly, if you want to open your Google app in incognito mode, like if you want nobody should see what you browsed, you can do this, and you can just simply start surfing. Tech cheater. Perfect. Yeah. So this is basically a search engine which is kind of browser, I'll say. And it gives you shortkeys to like share your content with anybody else. You can press this button and this options will be available for you. If you want to find something on this page, you can do this find. And like if you want to find tech, it will filter out the results for me. So this is quite some interesting features which will definitely impress you. uh, Rest, it's a simple interface. It's not something very advanced or something very great which I can show you. This is, I think that's it for you. um, if you want to use some other voice search engine, you can try with UC browser, but personally it's useless. I'll say Siri is the best, but still, if you want to use Google, it's fine. It's up to you. Anyways, guys, I'll close with this video. I hope you like this. This is very small and sweet video. It's not too much because the app is not too much. Anyways, have fun. Bye. I'm closing off. Enjoy.